Fishing is the most important industry in Iceland, so the changes in the ocean's ecosystem have great effect on us. The acidification of the sea is one example, but that is caused by uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is said that almost 30% of all carbon dioxide that goes into the atmosphere goes into the sea. The carbon dioxide mixes with the water and creates carbon acid. It affects shellfish because their shells becomes weaker and dissolve, causing them to be an easier prey and die. This then affects the sea creatures that eat the shellfish and so on. The only way to decrease the acidification of the sea is to release less carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. What is also happening in Iceland is that the glaciers are melting really fast, and that can then cause rise in sea level.
The Gulf Stream is a stream of water which goes a lot faster than the surrounding waters. The stream transports about 150 million cubic meters per second. All that hot water warms up the most of the northern countries such as Iceland, Denmark and Great Britain. The increased amount of rain and melted ice in the ocean are changing the Gulf Stream, which means a change in temperature in a room.
In Denmark, we have some of the world's finest and most clean groundwater. In fact, it's so clean that we can drink it right after it's been pumped up from the ground. But our clean water is threatened by pesticides that our farmers use to improve the harvest. The pesticides is so damaging that it makes our water undrinkable. A pharmaceutical company that produced pesticides in the 60s used parts of the west coast of Denmark as depot for their chemical waste for a couple of years. The area is now very damaged, and it took lots of years to clean up the chemical waste. So we have to take care of our precious groundwater to keep it clean.
What is done in Iceland is that we have a lot of education about the environment, and in the classes we go out a lot and see what we are learning about, and we think that is very helpful. Our teachers are also very passionate about their classes, and we go, for example, and measure the glacier around us, and then we can see the change from year to year. We think that just more of the same can help to get the younger generation involved. There are also a lot of events regarding climate change here in Hub. For example, of a project called Tölt með tilgang, but then a group of people goes every month to clean up garbage that is around us in the environment.